Okay. So the next problem is find the value of solid generated by revolving ellipse. So what is the form of ellipse? The ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Here there are two problems. This is one and this is one. Okay. So for first one, about x-axis. About x-axis and major axis. Major axis. The x-axis is nothing but a major axis. And the condition is a is greater than b. And about y-axis is nothing but a minor axis. And the condition is a is greater than b. So first we have to solve the first problem. About x-axis, the major axis. That is the x-axis nothing but major axis. And this is about x-axis is nothing but a form of y. This can be written as the solution is the ellipse. What is that ellipse? That is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. That is, it is in x-axis. So this is nothing but x-axis. So this is 0. In x-axis, what are the coordinates? This is a comma 0 and this is minus a comma 0. In y-axis, it is 0 comma b and this is equal to 0 comma minus b. So we will written as about x-axis. About x-axis. So x-axis, this can be taken as a one. About x, what are the limits? The limits are minus a to a. The limits are minus a to a. That is the boundary values. About x-axis is nothing but about x-axis. What is the formula for value? The value is equal to integration from a to b pi y square into dx. So this is a basic formula. That is integration from a to b pi y square into dx. X-axis nothing but we get dx. And the limits of x equal to a and x equal to b. X equal to a and x equal to b. We written as the limits of x. So therefore, this will be converted into y square is equal to, from 1 we need to get that y square. That is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So from that y square by b square equal to 1 minus x square by a square. We need to get y square only. So therefore, we will written as a y square equal to, this is divided by will be converted into this side. We get that 1 minus x square by a square. Okay. And we simplify this LCM. We get a square minus x square by a square. So what we get? Finally, we get that y square is equal to, that is y square is equal to b square by a square into a square minus x square. This is, we get this one. Okay. Substitute, if we are taking a 2 and this is a 3. Okay. Substitute a 3 into, substitute equation 3 in equation 2. What we get? We get that v equal to, taken as a pi is an outside, pi into integral from, what are the limits of x? The limits of x equal to minus a to a, and we written as y square. What is that y square? The y square equal to b square by a square minus a square minus x square. That is b square by a square into a square minus x square into dx. So this value pi, b square by a square is a constant. Pi into b square by a square is a constant. We get that integral from minus a to a square minus x square into dx. Okay, we do that integration. This is nothing but a is a constant. The constant is also the even function, and x square is a even function. That is a constant. A square equal to constant. This is also even function, and x square is a even function. So therefore, a square minus x square, that becomes to even function. That becomes to even function. This is a square minus x square is a even function. Okay. So up to this, we can solve that. This is a equation given ellipse, and it is in major axis. What is the given? That is it is in major axis. Major axis is nothing but about x axis. About x axis. That is, we need to find this value limits minus a to a. What are the limits minus a? About x axis, and the limits are a to b. That is, what is the formula? Integral from a to b by y square into dx. So from that, limit we need to find the b square. That is, we apply the basic simplification. This is a plus. So plus on the it side వచ్చింది. So plus ఒక side నుంచి ఒక side పోతే ఏమవుతుంది మనకు minus అవుతుంది. And we do that LCM here. LCM ఏమొచ్చింది మనకు a square. That is 1 into a square minus x square by a square. ఈ a square కామన్ బయటికి తీస్తాం. b square by a square. Therefore y square equal to b square by a square into a square minus x square. This can be taken as equation number 3. Substitute equation 3 in equation 2. We get that pi taken as outside. Integral from minus a to a, b square by a square minus x square into dx. And this can be taken out. B square by a square is constant value. Constant by this system. And so a అనేది constant value కాబట్టి constant is a even function. And x square అనేది కూడా even function. A square minus x square ఏమంటే రెండు difference of two even function is also the even function. Okay. And we simplify that. So even function అయితే మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది? So therefore a square minus x square is an even function. Okay. A square minus x square ఏమైందంటే ఈవెన్ ఫంక్షన్ అయింది. So if there is a minus a to a, f of x equal to 2 into integral from 0 to a f of x into dx. Then f of x equal to even function. This is f of x equal to even function. So ఇప్పుడు మనం దీన్ని ఏం రాస్తామంటే, that is a value equal to b equal to 2 pi into b square by a square to, that is integral from 0 to a f of x. What is the f of x? A square minus x square into dx. So written as we know that basic formula, integration of k into dx, that is nothing but a kx. And integration of x power n. What is the formula? X power of n plus 1 by. These are the basic formulas. So therefore we get that 2 pi into b square by a square into. We do that integration. This is a square into x minus x square. For x square, we get that x cubed by 3. What are the limits? The limits are 0 to a. The limits are 0 to a. And we written as upper limit minus lower limit. So substitute that upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. That is 2 pi into b square by a square. Upper limit. What is the upper limit? A. So therefore a square into a minus a cubed by 3. This is upper limit. Minus lower limit. What is the lower limit? The lower limit value equal to 0. So therefore written as upper limit minus lower limit. A square into 0 minus 0 cubed by 3. So 0 into something, the value is equal to 0. Therefore we get that 2 pi into b square by a square into a cubed minus a cubed by 3 minus 0. So we get that 2 pi into b square by a square into a cubed minus a cubed by 3. So we do that LCM. We get that 3a cubed minus a cubed by 3. So therefore 2 pi into b square by a square into 3a cubed minus a cubed, nothing but 2a cubed by 3. So what we get? So finally we get that 2 into 2. This is a 1a, this 2 and this will be a cancel. 2 into 2, 4. Therefore value equal to value will be equal to 4 a b square pi by 3. So రెండు ఏలు ఉన్నాయి, ఇక్కడ 3 ఏలు ఉన్నాయి, 2 ఏలు క్యాన్సల్ అవుతాయి, ఇంకొక ఏలు మిగులుతుంది. 4a b square by 3. If it is in x axis we get that 4a. If it is y axis we get that 4b a square by 3. This is a value. So here that, so how we do simplify? This is a square minus x square is an even function. If it is even function, then it can be written as integral from minus a to a f of x. That is nothing but 2 into integral from 0 to a f of x into dx, when f of x is a even function. And we written as 2 into pi into b square by 3 integral from 0 to a square minus x square into dx. And we apply the basic formulas, that is integration of a constant that is equal to kx, and integration of x power n dx, that is nothing but x power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. And finally we substitute the upper limit minus lower limit, and we simplify. Finally what we get, that we get v equal to 4a b square pi by 3. This is nothing but volume of solid of ellipse about in x axis.